Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install and manage apps on Android. So this is a complete guide to help you make the most of your Android apps. First, if you want to install apps on your Android, you can do it from the Google Play Store or from APK files. If you want to download it from a Google Play Store, you can just find the Google Play Store application, and then you can use the search bar at the bottom to find the app you need. You can just find, for example, I'm going to find I'm going to download, let's say, this apps right here. Now you can just select the app, and after that you can click on install and wait for the download and installations to complete. And once the app is installed, you can just tap on open to launch the application, or you can find it in your app drawer. And then if you want to download from APK file, you need to download it from a trusted source. So you need to enable installation from unknown source first. You can go to the settings and find apps. This one. And here you can scroll down until you find the special app access. And here you need to enable the install unknown apps. This one's right here. You need to turn it on first. And after that, you can just locate the APK file in your file manager and tap it to install. But you need to be cautious when installing APKs, as they may contain malware if sourced from unreliable websites. And if you want to manage your installed apps, you can view the install apps on the settings in here, the same settings. You can just find the list of apps in here, and you can tap on app to see details like storage, permissions, and usage. You can see it on here. And if you want to uninstall apps, you can just long press on the app icon in the home screen like this, and there will be this pop-up. You can just click on this trash icon and tap on uninstall. You can also do it on the settings right here, and there will be this uninstall button that you can click. And if you want to update apps, you can do it manually by opening the Google Play Store and find the manage apps and device by clicking on your photos, manage app and device, and here click on manage and find if there is any applications that need to update. If you want to clear the cache data, you can again go to the settings and apps and go to the storage and cache in here, then tap on the cleared cache or clear storage. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.